Hi, welcome to OpenLab video series. In this video, we will be discussing about the square waves. So, what is a square wave? Basically, a square wave is a non-sinusoidal wave which changes its amplitude abruptly in between two fixed values. These values can vary from negative to positive within the range of supply voltage used in an electronic system. There are many ways by which we can generate a square wave. The generated wave can be called as a square wave if the signal is switching in between two different voltage levels with negligible transition time. The square waves are widely used in the digital circuits as a clock signal for synchronous application and also as a data signal to transmit data in the form of binary. Here, a logic high represents the binary data 1 and logic low represents the binary data 0. Before going too far, we need to know what are logic levels in digital circuits. So, a logic level is nothing but a specific voltage or a state in which a signal can exist. Usually, when it comes to digital circuits, we mainly use two different logic levels. TTL, which has voltage in the range of 0 to 5 volt, and CMOS, which has a voltage in the range of 0 to 3.3 volt. For example, if we consider TTL voltage level 0 to 5 volt to represent logic 0, the voltage doesn't require to be exactly 0 voltage. It only has to be near 0 voltage. Usually, a device trying to send a logic 0 has to keep a voltage less than 0.4 volt. And to read 0, it has to be below 0.8 volt only. Similarly, there is a defined level for logic high also. Now you might have understand the square waves theoretically. But do you know where do we use these square waves in real world? Do you know how do we blink an LED in an electronic circuit? Do you know how do we switch a relay in an electronic circuit? Yes, for these kind of applications we use square waves. Similarly, do you know how do we transmit a data between different peripherals in embedded systems? Do you know what kind of signals are used in different protocols such as I2C and SPI? Since you understand the logic levels, now you can easily say that these signals are different variations of square waves. Square waves or its different variations are widely used in different digital circuits, embedded systems, and digital computers. I hope you understand the basics of square waves. To know more details, log on to openlabpro.com. Thanks for watching.